discussing about plant cell and animal cell. Here structure of both the cells is given to you. In plant cell, the basic difference is that cell wall is present. At the outer side, cell wall is present. And in plant cell, a large central vacuole is also present. So these are the main difference between plant and animal cell. A large central vacuole is there, cell wall is there. Apart from cell wall, inside the cell wall, cell membrane is there, Golgi body is there, chloroplast is there present. And this chloroplast, it is present in plant cell but not in animal cell. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum present in both the cells. Mitochondria is present in both the cells, but in plant mitochondria is less in number, and in animal cell mitochondria is more in number. Nuclear is there, nucleolus is there, chromosome is there, nuclear membrane is here, nuclear pore in between nuclear membrane, nucleus, nuclear pore is also present. So this is the typical plant cell which we are seeing, and rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the nucleus, and on their surface ribosomes are present. These are the site for protein synthesis. Here protein is synthesized on ribosomes. This is the whole plant cell. Now we will move to animal cell. In animal cell, see the structure is here. Cell wall is not present. Cell wall is not present. Cell membrane is there. Chloroplast will not present here. Plastids will not be present here. Mitochondria will more in number. Lysosomes and centrosomes will present here because it is the animal cell. So lysosome is seen to you. Vacuole is not present, and if it is present then it will be small inside. Golgi body is there. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is there. Nucleus is at the center. Central nucleus is there in animal cell. Nucleolus is there. Chromosome is there. Nuclear pore. In nucleus, nuclear pore is present. These nucleus is attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum, and again ribosome is present on their surface. And these are the site for protein synthesis. These are the site for protein synthesis. These ribosomes. So this was the basic difference between plant cell and animal cell, which we have seen. Now we can write and summarize them also in brief. Difference between or comparison between plant and animal cell. So this we will rub now, and we will discuss some key points about plant cell and animal cell. So dear students, we are going to compare plant and animal cell, plant cell and animal cell in detail. Here we will write plant cell, animal cell. See, when we are talking about plant cell, first point, cell wall. Cell wall. So cell wall is present in plant cells. So we will write in the plant cell category. Cell wall in plant cell present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Okay. Second, cell wall present, and in animal cell, cell wall is absent. Second point, vacuole. Vacuole. Large central vacuole is there. Here we will write in plant cell, large central vacuole. Whereas in animal cell, Small size vacuole is present, not central vacuole. Small size vacuole is present. So we have discussed about vacuole. Third, we will discuss about plastids. Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Plastids. Again, plastids are present in plant cell. Here we will write present in plant cell. Plastids are absent in animal cell. Absent. Fourth point. Fourth is mitochondria. Mitochondria. See, mitochondria is present in both plant cell and animal cell. But in plant cells, less in number. In plant cells, they are less in number. And in animal cell, they are more in number. They are more in number. Mitochondria we have discussed, plastids we have discussed, vacuole we have discussed cell wall. Now fifth point. Now we are going to discuss about lysosomes. See, lysosomes are absent in plant cell. They are absent. But in animal cell, they are present. Lysosomes are clear to you? Then comes centrosome. Again, centrosome is absent in plant cell. Absent. And these centrosomes are present in animal cell. Present. So these are the basic difference between plant and animal cells we are talking about. When comparison comes, seventh, Golgi bodies. Present in both plant and animal cells. So present. But in plant cell, these Golgi bodies are known as dictyosomes. Here we will write dictyosomes. So Golgi body is there, centrosome is there. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in both the cells. Reticulum present in both the cells. So present. So these are the point of difference between a plant cell and a animal cell. Everything I have discussed. And now in many animal cells, flagella is also present. Additional structure, flagella. In plant cell, this flagella is absent. But in animal cell, present. So flagella is also clear to everybody. They are absent and they are present. Any doubt? So in this way, comparison is being done between plant cell and animal cell. These are the points which we can discuss when we are discussing about plant cell and animal cell. Now this portion of plant and animal cell comparison is complete. Now in the next lecture we will see difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell.